Bienvenue au 237 Chemin des Hiboux à Saint-Hubert-de-Rivière-du-Loup, plus précisément au bord du lac de la Grande Fourche.
Enjoy your life every day and every night. Embrace the moment, live it up, take flight. No need to worry, no need to strive. Just live your dreams, enjoy your life. Let's go on an adventure. No time for regrets, no need for censure. Life's too short, gotta make it count. Don't let negativity bring you down. Enjoy your life every day and